Hello and welcome to Learning with Z. This is the second video in the series of valuation using Excel. The topic for today is how to calculate present value and future value of an annuity received. Let me spend a minute here to explain you the concept of annuity. An annuity is like a perpetuity, but the payment is made for a specified number of years. For example, you have won a lottery and you will be receiving $2,000 at the end of each year for the next 30 years. And the first payment will be made at the end of year 1. Let us assume the rate of interest to be 10%. Most of the valuation books gives the formula to calculate the present value of annuity as C equal to in brackets 1 plus r raised to power n minus 1 divided by r bracket 1 plus r raised to power n, and the future value is calculated as present value bracket 1 plus r raised to power n, or C, that is the cash flow of annuity, bracket 1 plus r raised to power n minus 1 divided by r. Let us see how to do this in Excel. So let us use a similar example here. Now in our question, the payment per period is given to us as 2000. R is 10%. We'll plug in 10%, and n is number of periods, which is 30. In order to calculate the present value, press equal to, go to formulas, go to financials, and there select PV. When this dialog box will open up, we need to select rate. Rate is 10%, n per is number of period, which is 30, and PMT, which is the payment made at the end of each period, which is 2000 in our case. So 2000. And now you can see the answer right here in the dialog box too. Okay, but the sign is negative here because Excel considers PV function as a loan or an investment. Hence, it results in the sign having negative, which is opposite sign to the payment. So we'll press OK here, and the answer is $18,853.80. This is the present value of annuity. Now, in order to calculate the future value of total lottery amount that is going to be received for 30 years, we can calculate this by pressing equal to and selecting the FV function in the dialog box. You will enter rate as 10%, period as 30, and PMT as 2000, and OK. So although this shows negative, but in our case it will be positive. So the total amount of lottery is $328,988.05. So friends, isn't it easy and super fun to do valuation in Excel? If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more such useful videos on valuation in Excel. Thanks for watching.